Welcome to Tata, Protect Nature, where we explore the terrifying strength of nature. Fierce storms, fierce flash floods, terrible earthquakes, and tsunamis swept everything are all clear evidences for natural destruction, leaving a deep impression in human life. In the next 10 minutes, let us immerse yourself in the haunting observations. Protect Nature brings the scenes that make our hearts sobbing and pondering our responsibilities to the earth. In this world, every small action can make big changes. Will we really understand and know how to protect the planet we live in? Start the journey to discover and find solutions to these urgent questions. Are you ready? The tsunami came and swept everything away. It was so scary. Oh my God! All the houses in the city were badly damaged by the earthquake. The forest fire burned fiercely. The pillars of fire rose high into the sky. The red light illuminated the whole sky. Oh my God! Half of the mountain collapsed and fell onto the road, forming a wall, blocking traffic. The floodwaters rushed over, causing widespread flooding, submerging the entire area in a vast sea of water. The house suddenly collapsed. It was dangerous for the people. The fire burned high, engulfing the house. It was terrifying. The storm hit with strong winds that blew everything away. Oh my God, the house is on fire, black smoke billowing up to the sky. The fire was raging. Everyone was in fear of the destruction of the fire. The floodwaters rose and swept everything away. A huge sandstorm suddenly hit, carrying with it a whirlwind of dust and sand, covering the sky and turning the landscape hazy. The terrible earthquake caused severe damage to houses. Oh God, the flood is destroying the town. The electric pole suddenly exploded and caught fire fiercely, very dangerous. Flooded houses in the flood, real too heavy. The high-rise building caught fire fiercely. Black smoke billowed and covered the sky. Huge rocks and soil fell from the cliff. The terrible wind and storm made everything covered in white. The cooled lava turned into black rocks that cracked and crumbled and fell. The rain lasted for many days, causing water to flood the road, causing inconvenience to traffic. The forest fire blazed up, lighting up the whole sky terribly. Oh my God, the building just collapsed. Hope, no casualties. Cars being swept away by strong floodwaters. Oh my God! The floodwaters rushed into town, sweeping everything away. The house collapsed and fell down so scary. The flames are highly high and swallowed the house and endangered the lives of people. The hot lava flowed into the sea, creating huge columns of steam, rising violently. The huge waves of the sea signaled the coming of a huge storm. The tsunami struck the city as scary. Heavy rain for many days caused water to flood the road, causing serious flooding. The seawater flooded and caused severe flooding. Cars were being swept away by the flood. The whole town was submerged in severe flooding. The soil and rocks after the rain softened and cracked, falling down the cliff. Oh my God, the high-rise house is collapsing. Thick hails are high in risk of flooding. Floods inundate roads, making traffic inconvenient. Furniture is swept away by floodwaters. Floodwaters flooded the village, carrying mud and garbage. Suddenly, landslides are dangerous to humans. The road is flooded, making cars difficult to move. A huge tornado hit, making the sky pitch black, and the tornado was destroying everything. Lava is erupting violently from the volcano. The murky water carried dirt and debris, turning the neighborhood into a chaotic and terrifying river. The earthquake left behind a scene of devastation and destruction. The city suffered heavy damage. The floodwater rose and flowed fiercely. It was really scary. The mountain was severely eroded. All the soil cracked and fell down. Oh my God, the whole village is submerged in muddy water. It's horrible. The rocks and soil fell down, dragging trees onto the road, causing traffic obstruction. We sincerely thank you for accompanying Protect Nature in the journey to discover the devastating power of nature and the profound effects that it left. Together, we have witnessed the destruction of storms, tsunamis, and landslides, and at the same time, learned valuable lessons about the resilience of people before natural disasters. Your support is a great motivation for us to continue the environmental protection mission and towards a sustainable future. Let's build a powerful, beautiful planet where people and nature can get along and develop prosperous.